My personal focus has been education, the education of the individual investor from a lending and underwriting perspective. I think there's no secret, we would all agree that the learning curve in real estate investing is extremely intense. And I always say that when you start to layer in the financing end of all of that, it exponentially increases the learning curve. So for so many people that I talk to on a day-to-day basis, I discover it's the finance or the lending aspect side of all of this that is most overwhelming, maybe even a little intimidating. So for that reason, well, backing up, it's obviously the leverage and use of other people's money, as they say, that gives us the greatest rate of return on our investment. So I just think that it's crucial for the individual to have some baseline knowledge, definitions, what's going on in that black box of underwriting guidelines, how does it apply to me and my qualifications, and then certainly my goals. And then lastly, taking all of that and teaching the individual how to optimize those qualifications, right? As investors, we don't start and stop with one transaction. We're buying, we're selling, we're refinancing, 1031 exchange. So inherently, our basic qualifications are going to change. It's going to be a fluid thing. Debt to income ratio, credit, assets, those things are going to move as you continue to amass and sell and refinance your real estate holdings. So understanding how to optimize all of that, I think, is to everybody's greatest success. How do you keep your debt to income ratio at its lowest? How do you keep your credit score at its highest? How do you make sure that you've got enough assets to qualify for the reserve requirement in underwriting guidelines?